Utilizing a daybed in your space is a great option for a bedroom or guest room, but it's versatile enough to be used anywhere. Its casual style can be used for lounging by day and for sleeping at night. The horizontal orientation creates a grounding focal point for your room, and we've created 2 unique spaces showing that a daybed can be tailored to suit any taste. The daybed in this space provides a more modern, masculine feel with the looks of a sofa with the capabilities of a twin bed. And the addition of a trundle bed hidden underneath doubles your guest possibilities. The variety of pillows creates a stylish and comfortable place to sit, and we've gone with a neutral color palette with bold contrasts between blacks and whites to create an understated look. The bookshelf and entertainment center keep with this simple style, and we've added some natural color tones with the wood-topped industrial end table and wood serving tray. Succulents and extra greenery give the space a pop of color for visual interest. The coordinating rug and striking wall art help fill the space and really bring the room together. And the 2 poofs provide dual function as extra seating for guests and an additional serving area. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.